Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to track and monitor your ASP.NET Core Minimal API with OpenTelemetry. First, we need to create a new ASP.NET Core Minimal API project. You can use the terminal or VS Code. And after, we need to add all the packages necessary. We can add using NuGet or opening the project file and add the necessary OpenTelemetry packages. Next, we configure the OpenTelemetry, which is the heart of this project. OpenTelemetry will handle the collection of telemetry data like HTTP trace and metrics. We also use the OTLP exporter to send the data to Jaeger and the console exporter to log traces to the console. Metrics work to the same way as traces. We collect metrics like the number of HTTP requests and their duration. In our endpoint, to make the telemetry data more interesting, we will introduce random delays in the endpoint logic. Alright, the code is ready, let's test it step by step. Check your terminal to see the exported logs from the console exporter. This is especially useful for debugging. Let's start Jaeger by running the Docker command. Jaeger is a free tool that lets us view traces. For testing, make a few requests to our endpoint to generate telemetry data. Open Jaeger UI and search for the traces under the service name Weather API. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.